This is a vintage master lock, number 81. I've seen these on eBay, but the ones on eBay I see are yellow strip all around and black master. I haven't seen a green one anywhere. But let's look back here. We can see it says Master 81, Master Lock Company, number 25737. Tumbler, I believe it says at the very bottom with that V type thing. Don't know what that means. And let's show the key here. It also has writing here on the top of it. It says, patented master, tough under fire. Looked up here. And we'll try and pick this in hand. This is the master key. Close up, you can see the number on it and the master logo back here. Okay, let's give her a rip. Putting fairly heavy tension on the tensioner and going back to the rear of the lock. I don't know if this has different pins other than standard, or that has any security pins, spools. Can't fit anything. But it doesn't pick like a regular master lock picks. Doesn't have the same feel to it. Sure doesn't seem to be very easy either. Reset a lot. Go, I think. There it is. Okay, the Master 81. Oldie but a goodie.